Hi everyone! So for today, we're gonna cook teriyaki sandwich with mango salsa. So you will find these food ingredients in Karman Foods. You can visit www.karmanfoods.com. It's the #1 curated Asian food grocer and the ultimate place for your Asian needs. We can provide Asian ethnic food ingredients and deliver it to your doorstep. We have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian ingredients. So for our first main ingredient, the Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. So this soy sauce has 37% less sodium than regular Kikkoman soy sauce. It is brewed in the USA and made from water, wheat, soybean, salt, lactic acid, sodium benzoate less than 0.1% as a preservative. For our second main ingredient, we have the Marukan Rice Vinegar. So this is made by the cultivation of a slow and delicate process including fermentation, refining, and aging with special techniques used for over 360 years. Made from finest selection of short-grain brown rice grown in California, and it's naturally gluten-free, non-GMO, fat-free, sodium-free, and you can use it as an ingredient for marinade, salad dressings, or straight from the bottle. Our last but not the least main ingredient is the Kikkoman Teriyaki Baste and Glaze. It's a rich teriyaki flavor with sweet savory twist, blended from traditionally brewed soy sauce, honey, pineapple concentrate, premium wine, and Asian seasonings. It can be used right from the bottle or brush it on meats, poultry, seafoods, or vegetables. Okay, so let's start cooking! The teriyaki sandwich with mango salsa, we have to make the burger, the mango salsa, and we have to prepare the toppings. So for the mango salsa, we need 1/2 of a whole mango, diced, 2 small tomatoes, diced, 1/2 red onions, diced, 2 tablespoons fresh basil, sliced in strips or finely chopped. Of course, our food ingredient, 1 tablespoon of Marukan Rice Vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, dash of salt, and dash of black pepper. For our burger, we have 180 grams of ground beef, lean, 1/2 red onions, finely diced, and 2 tablespoons of fresh basil, finely chopped. Our main ingredient, Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying, and for our toppings, we have here 2 slices of sourdough bread, but you can have burger buns or any other slices of bread. And our sauce, our third main ingredient, the Kikkoman Teriyaki Baste and Glaze, 1 tablespoon. That's it! Let's start! For the mango salsa, we just have to combine all the ingredients. So, diced mangoes, diced tomatoes, diced red onions, fresh basil strips. Season it with our first main ingredient, Marukan Rice Vinegar, olive oil, 1 tablespoon, and season it with salt and pepper. So we just have to mix the ingredients until it's well combined. You can add more mangoes, and you can also add cucumbers if you prefer, or jalapeno if you want something spicy. That's it! For our burger patty, let's add the ingredients to the ground beef. First is the red onions, fresh basil, and our second main ingredient, the Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. So just drizzle it all over the ground beef. Let's just mix it. This ground beef is lean. You can have the ordinary, but if you prefer less fat option, you can have the extra lean or the lean. We can make this into one big patty, or if you prefer small patties, then this can be made into 2 to 3 small patties. Just make sure that The ingredients are well combined since we want to taste the Kikkoman soy sauce. Okay, so we're gonna make this one into small patties now. Okay, so I'm gonna make the patty now. Here it goes. So I'm shaping it into a circle first. You can flatten it. We have our first patty, and then just do the rest with your remaining ground beef. Okay, so we're done making the patties. So I made 3 small patties, but if you want, you can make 1 to 2 bigger patties. So it will depend on your preference. Now I'm going to fry this one and make our teriyaki burger sandwich, or you can also grill the patties. We're gonna start cooking our burger patty. You have to make sure that your pan is hot before adding the oil. You can also grill the burger patty or bake it, so it will depend on your preference. A little more. You can add the oil now. Swirl the pan. Before adding the burger patty, make sure that the oil is hot already. Here you go. Just slowly add it. Same goes with the rest. So allow it to cook, and then you can carefully flip it once it's already cooked. Okay, we're gonna carefully flip the burger. After we finished cooking our burger patty, we're now going to assemble our sandwich. So first, you have here your slice of bread, or you can have a hamburger patty. And then, our main ingredient, Kikkoman Teriyaki Baste and Glaze. So we're just gonna use it as a sauce. So spread it out all over your bread. You have the option to toast the bread first, so that it will be warm when you're gonna consume it already. After spreading the Kikkoman Teriyaki Baste and Glaze, we're gonna add our cooked patty. And then of course, top it with our Mango Salsa. So we used Marukan Rice Vinegar here, and in our burger patty, we used the Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. Maybe around the burger or on top of your burger patty, it will depend on your preference. So I just topped it around bread since the bread is a little bit big. Okay, and then topped it with another slice of bread. That's it! You already have your teriyaki sandwich. So this one is good for your lunch or snack. It's a very easy to make dish. We're done making the teriyaki sandwich with mango salsa. So again, we used 3 main ingredients. For the burger patty, we used the Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. For the mango salsa, we used Marukan Rice Vinegar, and as part of our spread, we used the Kikkoman Teriyaki Baste and Glaze. So you can find these 3 main ingredients in www.karmanfoods.com. Our selection are constantly growing, and if you have any suggestions, please contact us at our website. Thanks everyone!
Ooh, yummy. Enjoy. Bye-bye.